Hi guys, Erika Page here with the Luxury Living International team at Your Home So Guarantee Realty. And I want to tell you guys a little bit about a project that a client of Tami and I are working with. They're buying this house. It's a gorgeous lot out in Gwinnett County. And the house is nice. It's a 3-bedroom house. It's on a partially finished basement, but they need more space. And so they're here now with the architect. I'm going to take you guys inside. They're here now with the architect who is working with them to add a second story to the house. This is a ranch on a basement, meaning it is one story. All the 3 bedrooms are here on the main. It's a really big lot. It's a private lot over here, kind of wooded, a little bit wooded over here in Gwinnett. But now they're going to make this change by adding an entire second floor. The teenager is still here at home, of course, and then they are bringing their parents in. And so they needed more space. And I just said, you guys, let's just add a second floor. So the whole second floor will be for the big master bathroom, huge master closet. So totally upstairs will be private. And then the rest of these bedrooms that are on the main can be used for the other family members. One of the other things they're going to do is push the kitchen back into the garage. Their plan is also to put a pool on here. The architect is working with them about their outdoor kitchen. Really gorgeous project that when it's done. And they're really excited that we are able to manage so much of these. We have a great contact that we work with as an architect. She does an amazing job. She's helped a couple clients of ours. So she's working with them. One of the nice things about working with a well-experienced architect, she already let us know what kind of surveys we need, what kind of permits, if any, that we need. We probably won't need any permits actually because we're not moving any exterior walls. They're also going to build a separate two-car garage, possibly with an apartment on top to be an income unit. So this is going to be a great project. And of course, Tami and I are going to help to manage it. We've got our contractor kind of sitting on ready to get, once he gets all the plans and such from the architect, he'll get moving. We're closing on this property in about, I think, 14 days or so. So everything is aligned. The lender's got the monies ready. My clients have their cash ready. The architect is here. The contractor is sitting on ready. And of course, Erika Page and Tami Goodwin, we stay ready. So we'll keep you guys posted on this project. Should be a lot of fun. Wow. The project continues. Woo! Popping the top. Adding the second floor to this ranch style house. Man, they are working fast. It's looking good. I'll keep you updated. Okay, so inside at our project, this beautiful ranch style home, it's already a great house. Needed a second floor. Been telling you guys about it. So getting it going. See that? See those floor joists? That was a ceiling before. And second floor, 2-story kitchen about to happen. This was a garage. Wow. Hallway has been widened as requested. Glass has been removed. Wow. Second floor.